Hello and welcome to this new video. This time we are going to take a look at the difference between contribute, distribute, and attribute. Okay, the right pronunciation and the right meaning. Okay, so first let's take a look at the pronunciation and then we'll take a look at the meaning. Okay, well, as you can see in the phonetics, the accent is right before the syllable. This apostrophe here tells us where we have to place the accent. Okay, so it's contribute. Now here in some words in English we have a primary accent and a secondary accent. So we have to do contribution. Bution is where we place the most important stress. Contribution. Okay. Distribution, and distribute. Okay, the accent on the second syllable. Now be careful with attributes and attribute. As a verb, attribute, and as a noun, attribute. Okay, or attribution as well. We have this word with the accent on the third syllable. And retribution, the same thing, okay? So basically, to contribute means to donate, to give money, to help, even to write articles for some publications, okay? So I'll ask you questions using these words, and then you're going to just reply using them in the answer, basically repeating the same thing, okay? So it's going to be very easy. I'm going to give you some space afterwards. Do you have to log on to the charity's website if you want to contribute? Did the alcohol contribute to the crash, the accident? How many famous writers have contributed to this newspaper? Now with contribution, was his contribution to the discussion in the meeting enough? Was the sponsor's contribution enough for the project? Distribute, to hand out, to divide, to share, okay? Repartir, okay? How much do they pay you to distribute these flyers? Was the property distributed equally among the 4 children? Distribution, spread, same, repartir. Should there be a better distribution of tasks in the departments? Is there an equal distribution of schools in the city? Okay, now attribute and attribute. Be careful here, okay? When we use nouns as a noun, when we use this word as a noun, is a personal quality or characteristic, okay? So what attributes do you look for in a general manager? Whatever you want to answer. What attributes do you look for in a partner? Okay. Also, as a noun, it could be an adjective, okay, like a quality. So, in the white cat, is white an attribute of cat? Yes, it is, right? Now, as a verb, to attribute, we mean to ascribe. Okay, to ascribe is, well, it's the same. Ascribe is like to attribute or to asignar, adscribirse. Asignar and atribuir is a better translation. To what do you attribute your early success as a singer? Or to what do you attribute his dismissal from the company? Now, attribution as a noun is an ascribed quality, character, function, or right. Okay? Derecho, una función, una personalidad, un tipo de personalidad o una cualidad. Okay? So, are supernatural powers attributions of the Marvel characters? Okay? Personajes de Marvel. Yes, they are, aren't they? Which are the attributions of the General Assembly? Whatever they are, yes. In retribution, the meaning of retribution, be careful because this is a really false friend. Retribution is a punishment, okay? Was such a long sentence in prison just retribution? Yes or no? Will a life of sin will earn you a retribution in hell? Okay, so it's a punishment. Okay, retribution is punishment. Okay, so well, I hope that you have learned a little bit about how to pronounce these words: contribute, distribute, attribute, or attributes. Okay, because they create a lot of conflicts among the students. So I thought that this would be an interesting topic to talk about with these words. Okay, so thanks very much, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.